much a quick hot shower can change your the way you feel. I feel so much better now. I feel like I just got a little pep, you know, a little pep in my step now again. It's like I could go another 30-40 hours. You know, at least another 200 miles I feel like I can do, you know, without being all bogged down. But I'm already here. I'm already pretty much off the clock, so I'm gonna make my grilled cheese and tomato soup, work on a little video, and call it a night, and get up before dawn tomorrow, and we will we'll call this today a success as much as we can. Tomorrow will be another day. We're gonna get at least to New Jersey tomorrow. You know, find someplace decent to park for the holiday. Maybe we can get the truck cleaned again. Blah 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 blah. So, first things first, it's Christmas time. So, we got our Christmas lights on. So I need to situate myself here, then. So it's 5:45 right now. So basically 4 a.m. Gotta get up and be going. So basically, around 4 a.m., we're going to get ourselves get going in the morning. Finish up the last couple miles here of Indiana. And then get ourselves into Ohio, Pennsylvania, and at least into New Jersey. I mean, I should really have no problem getting that far, or at least into Pennsylvania. I mean, so I still got 786 miles to go. Yeah, well, some days are just like that. You just don't feel it, and you know, I got enough time that it's not going to be a problem. But definitely Monday and Tuesday, I'm going to be sitting around and, you know, doing a 34. And then Wednesday morning, we're going to get going again, get to our receiver. And get this load off and see where they're sending us next. Oh boy. Well, we didn't have as profitable a day today. Only did 437 miles. But sometimes it's like that. You just don't feel it, and it's no sense hurting yourself or anybody else by trying to push it even more than you should. Like I said, it's only Saturday. I still got all day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and the morning of Wednesday to get there. So, you know. If I do a full 600 miles tomorrow, You know, that'll be good. Then it'll only be about 3 hours Wednesday morning, so you get up at 4 or 5 a.m. Saturday or Wednesday morning, boogie on over there, get that done. Will give us enough time to get unloaded. Hopefully there's something close by that I can get. I may have to run back up into New Hampshire to that last load we brought out of there. Really don't want to drive that far, but you know, whatever. And hopefully that either takes us either out to past Tulsa, or it takes me down to Atlanta, so I can at least stop by the house real quick. Either of those two options would be good, but you know, I prefer to go west. I mean, Montana would be perfect. You know, stay north of DC. You know, basically just stay out of Virginia, period. You know, I hate driving through Virginia. I-85, I-81, and you know, I-95 are not my favorite places, especially in Virginia. That's like almost driving anywhere in California for me, man. I just don't like it. Well, that's today. So basically Angola, Indiana, we stopped at the Pilot here for I-69. We still have, you know, just under 800 miles to go to our destination in Connecticut. Or Fremont, that's where we are. Pilot Center 29 in Fremont, which is just north of Angola. I mean, I would have thought they would have called it Angola, but Fremont. Well, there you go. You learn something every day. Alrighty, day's done. See y'all tomorrow. Alright, well, it's dinner time in the truck. Tonight we are doing some tomato soup and some rye bread grilled cheese. If you never have tried that, a nice seeded rye. I mean, this isn't Manischewitz bread, but it'll do okay. I mean, it'll be all right. I mean, granted, I'm going to a second tier bread, but you know, not using the worst bread in the universe, but it's a rye bread. It's seeded. Got to have that caraway in there for it to taste right. But we're gonna get that cooked. Get that nice and gold on both sides, nice and crispy on the outside. Get that cheese melted. Heat that up real quick, and have a good comfort food kind of meal. All right, we got some grilled cheese. 2 nice grilled cheese rye bread sandwiches. Our tomato soup is getting all warmed up. Got our bowl ready. We got a drink. We got a new book. Mr. Peterson, Professor Peterson, 12 Rules for Life. Gonna start reading this. And we're gonna get ourselves pretty well fed tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to hit the bricks and hopefully have a better day than we did today.